Morning everybody. Pop down feet cat as usual, as you all know I do. And I thought I'd give a bit of a run round workshop. I mean obviously I've gas axed the car up that you knew, which I needed some bits for Zodiac I've got in. Been on with Victor, been on with doors for Ely. And Anglia's, well it's a bit idle at the minute, clients just sorting a bit more finance out, because obviously when you do onto that level, it don't get done for £5, you know, like some people think it does, it costs a lot of money. So I'm going to let you have a look round. I'm going to take it outside first, because I want to show you a few bits on this one I've cut up, because this is a key factor to what I've had to do here, and it's difficult. I mean, I've got my daughter, she's putting me something on my phone or something that with my photographs I can make videos, which would probably be interesting to some of you if you are interested, because obviously corrosion now is just a major issue, because some of them are fullery, you know, so you've just got to nail it. Some aren't, but there's still areas that need detailing and doing properly, you know, you can't just put a patch on, you've got to sort it out, cut it out and make it right. But let's go have a look and then you can see. So I think you're all aware. I mean, this is Zephyr's in, because I've just got to choke fast idle. So I've come down. Well, I'll drive it anyway. But I've nicked this piece here for Mach 4 because this is a good roof. I also need this roof because I need a piece for an estate. Now, you've seen this cut up. I'm pretty sure I've shown it. You know what I mean? I'm salvaging a few bits off floor. I need bulkhead out, and then she can go, because you know, you can just hang on to bits forever, but it's toast. It's pretty much toast. But what I'm going to show you here is these bits here. Now these hold like back wishbones. Now this is support that holds back wishbone, and this is all strength, obviously. I mean, this is obviously sill side. This isn't back at car. This is middle at car. Now these bits are mounting to here, and the go like an old rear suspension on. Now, well, you can see there's no left. I mean, that one's a little bit better. I think this bracket actually come off that side, but everything that it fastens to is toast. So now that I've shown you that part of the car, which I don't know if any of you, obviously it's jacking point here, but going into this Mach 4 I've been working on, I mean, well, you've seen Anglia, and like I said, clients just sorting a bit more finance out, because this has been a full restoration done properly. And I mean, doors are now swung, stuff like everything's in line. It just needs body light spot welds doing. But I mean, when you go to a project at that level, obviously it just costs a lot of money, and obviously you find your circumstances can change and you get things go different. I mean, going on to Ely as well, I've folded up foot bottoms at doors. That's had all its inner repair on that one. This door don't need an inner repair. These are both door bottom repairs. I mean, they've obviously been through wheel, the profiles, I mean, and then they can be done. But I'm just going to mount wings, swing doors, make sure I'm 120%. Then then that will be out to do it body finished, all fabrication, everything. But going back to this Mach 4, I mean, these brackets here, I mean, that's where roof repairs been. I mean, some of you might think, oh, it seems a bit shallow here, but that's actually lead. They used to fill them with lead here at factory when they did them. Now, coming back here, there's that new end at sill there. I just cut it off another panel. Now, these brackets actually go underneath, like I've just shown you on body. Now, I've had to rebuild, obviously, box section, the complete mounting section. Then I've had to rebuild the inner sill. Then put, obviously, a couple of bolts on to mount it. That's had to re-go in. I've had to remake some brackets, then refabricated brackets that I've made. And then the car won't be steering front back now, so which it would have been. And then other side I've got same to do, but this side, what I've got left to do is I've got a bit of floor to tidy up, which I can salvage out of that floor. Air post all done. I think you've seen air post before. What is it? Second hand door I've put on, because it's a good door, so there's no point messing about with doing. May as well just, if you've got the panel, stick it on. It's a lot quicker and it fits perfect. Everything's nice. That last little repair there, and like I say, I've got to go down into the front jacking point and sort floor out, which is a bit of a mess, but that's just what I've got to do here. I mean, coming round to Victor, I mean, doors are off. Inside it, doors will be sorted out and painted. This has now got its sill on. It's had a bit of a chassis section repair midway. It's had a brand new jacking point this side and a repair to the floor. I mean, you're probably looking at floor thinking, oh my God, I know this floor's absolutely solid. This has just been like, it's had a bit of water ingress over the years. I mean, when that's cleaned up, wire brush, rust killed off, plenty of paint on, it'll be fine, you know. But it's had new sill, jacking point this side, obviously a few bits and pieces here, and then it's had its air post done both sides. Now these, quite interesting bit of fabbing work, you know, I've had to do it, I think I did them in 3, but, and then there were a bit more work on air post underneath. What is it? I mean, they've got, well, they're like trumpets, but I think they're actually the inner wing support panel reference to a Vauxhall, so. But that's that at it way. I mean, there's been a few minor repairs to the wing. There were a bad bit here, which is obviously in this region. That's been put right, and then a piece of old sill. We got an issue at bottom of the wing, so I used a piece of old sill and I've rectified that. So, I mean, we've got a little bit of a job here, but once I've swung it, I'll just repair that little bit welders piecing and we sorted. But that side, everything's moving in workshop, and, well, it's just generally what happens in restoration world. I mean, probably looks chaos to here for you, but I know what's going on, and, I mean, there's only me, and I can do it right, so I just do. So, give us a like if you like the video. I mean, because this corrosion thing with this older, and I know newer classics are coming along now, but I'm telling you, the corrosion is a major issue on the older stuff now, and it takes some wading through and putting right. So, like I said, give us a like if you like the video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see stuff like this, because I have got an app coming that's going to show more on fabricating side. I can't see the point of having somebody following me around for like an hour with a camera to watch me do something, because I can explain it on photographs. I have that many photographs. You should be able to pick it up. And if you ask me in comments for something, I'll do it for you. So pass a comment if you want to know out, and take care everybody, and bye for now.